Hey friends! A great PC case is the soul of your build, balancing breathtaking aesthetics with the airflow needed for peak performance. In this video, we're taking a look at the best PC cases in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the MuseTech K2 Gaming PC Case. This chassis delivers an incredible 270-degree view of your hardware through dual-tempered glass panels, making it a literal showcase for your components. It comes pre-equipped with 6 PWM ARGB fans that feature anti-vortex blades for concentrated airflow, all controllable via software. The spacious interior supports massive GPUs up to 420mm and top-mounted 360mm radiators, ensuring you can fit the beefiest hardware of 2026. With a high-speed USB-C port on the I/O panel and magnetic dust filters for easy maintenance, the K2 is a top-tier choice for enthusiasts who want a fishbowl aesthetic without sacrificing cooling efficiency. Next up, our second product, the Corsair 3500X PC case. This mid-tower is a masterclass in clean aesthetics, supporting the latest, hidden connector, motherboards like Asus BTF and MSI Project Zero to keep cables completely out of sight. Its wraparound tempered glass panels provide a seamless look, while the interior is surprisingly flexible, accommodating up to 10 120mm fans for extreme thermal management. It comes bundled with 3 RS-120 ARGB fans that link directly to your motherboard's plus 5V header for easy lighting synchronization. Whether you are building a high-end gaming rig or a professional workstation, the 3500X offers the perfect blend of modern cable management and elegant glass design. Coming in at number 3, the MuseTech Y6 Gaming PC Case. This dual-chamber tower is all about organization and ease of use, featuring snap-on panels that allow for a completely toolless building experience. The dual-chamber design separates the heat-generating PSU and cables from the main components, providing a cleaner look and better airflow. It fits GPUs up to 400mm and includes 3 pre-installed fans to get your cooling started immediately. The I/O is fully modernized with USB 3.2 and Type-C ports, and the 270-degree transparent view ensures your build looks premium from every angle. It's a practical, high-value choice for those who want a boutique-style look with a straightforward assembly process. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the NZXT H6 Flow RGB. Known for its unique angled front corner, this dual-chamber case is designed to drive air directly toward your GPU where it's needed most. The wraparound glass panels offer an unobstructed view, while the 3 pre-installed 120mm RGB fans are strategically tilted to maximize intake efficiency. The top and side panels feature a high-performance perforation pattern that acts as a natural dust filter while keeping the internal temperatures low. NZXT has also included an intuitive cable management system with wide channels and built-in straps, making it one of the easiest cases on the market to achieve a professional, clutter-free interior. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Corsair 3000D RGB Airflow. This case redefines modularity with its innovative InfiniRail system, allowing you to slide and position your fans exactly where your specific hardware needs the most cooling. It features a 3D Y-pattern perforated front panel that provides massive airflow with minimal resistance. Out of the box, it includes 3 high-performance RS-ARGB PWM fans that support a 0 RPM mode for silent operation during light tasks. The modular frame even allows you to swap out motherboard trays or I/O panels, ensuring the case can evolve alongside your future upgrades. It is the ultimate choice for builders who want a case that is as flexible as it is stylish. Thanks for watching Gear Extra. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Have any questions about the product? Drop them in the comments below, we'll be happy to help. Stay tuned for more top picks, right here on Gear Extra. See you in the next one.